Hi everyone, in this video, we'll learn about 11 delicious, low-calorie soups that are perfect for weight loss and packed with nutrients. We'll explore how these soups boost digestion, improve metabolism, and enhance overall health. Plus, you'll get quick, easy steps to prepare each recipe at home. Don't forget to check the description and pinned comments for the detailed recipes. Spinach and garlic soup is loaded with fiber, which keeps you full and aids digestion. Spinach is low in calories but rich in nutrients like iron and magnesium. Garlic boosts metabolism and helps burn fat. This soup is light yet satisfying, making it perfect for weight loss. Plus, it's easy to prepare. Sauté garlic in a little water. Add spinach leaves and cook until soft. Blend with vegetable stock, season with salt and pepper, and enjoy. Carrot ginger soup is packed with vitamin A, which supports healthy metabolism. Ginger helps in reducing bloating and inflammation. This soup is naturally sweet, low in calories, and keeps you full for longer. It's a great option for dinner or a light lunch. Easy, quick, and delicious. Boil chopped carrots, ginger, and onion in vegetable stock. Blend until smooth, season with pepper, and serve warm. Bottle gourd tomato soup is hydrating and rich in fiber. Bottle gourd is low in calories and helps detoxify the body. Tomatoes add a tangy flavor while providing antioxidants. Together, they make a perfect soup for weight loss. It's light, refreshing, and so easy to make. Cook chopped bottle gourd, tomatoes, and garlic in vegetable stock. Blend until smooth, season with salt, and enjoy. Mixed vegetable clear soup is a powerhouse of nutrition. It's low in calories and packed with vitamins and minerals from multiple vegetables. The fiber content keeps you full, and the warm broth soothes your stomach. It's a light yet filling dinner option. Perfect for weight loss and easy to digest. Chop and boil all vegetables in vegetable stock. Add a pinch of pepper and serve hot. This version of mancho soup skips the noodles, making it healthier. It's loaded with fiber-rich vegetables and flavored with ginger and garlic. The spicy taste boosts metabolism and aids weight loss. It's low in calories yet super flavorful. A guilt-free indulgence for soup lovers. Sauté finely chopped veggies, add soy sauce and vegetable stock. Season with pepper and enjoy. Carrot beetroot soup is a vibrant, nutrient-rich option for weight loss. Carrots are packed with fiber and vitamin A, helping to boost metabolism. Beetroots are low in calories and improve blood circulation, which supports overall health. Together, they create a detoxifying and filling soup. Plus, the natural sweetness makes it delicious. Boil chopped carrots, beetroot, and ginger in vegetable stock. Blend until smooth, season with salt and pepper, and enjoy warm. Moong drumstick soup is rich in protein and iron, making it a great choice for weight loss. Moong dal keeps you full and promotes fat burning. Drumsticks are high in antioxidants and help detoxify the liver. This soup is light, nutritious, and perfect for dinner. It's a wonderful way to add variety to your meals. Boil moong dal and drumsticks with garlic and turmeric. Blend the dal while leaving the drumsticks whole. Season with salt and serve. Sweet corn vegetable soup is low in calories and packed with fiber, keeping you full for hours. The natural sweetness of corn satisfies cravings without adding extra sugar. Vegetables add essential vitamins and minerals, enhancing your overall health. This soup is light, easy to digest, and super comforting. It's perfect for chilly evenings. Sauté chopped vegetables, add sweet corn and vegetable stock. Season with pepper and serve warm. Tomato carrot soup is a classic weight loss recipe that's easy to prepare. Tomatoes are high in antioxidants and support fat burning. Carrots provide fiber and help regulate blood sugar levels. This soup is light, tangy, and filling, making it an excellent option for dinner. It's a comforting dish with minimal calories. Boil tomatoes, carrots, and garlic. Blend until smooth, season with salt and pepper, and serve hot. Green peas mint soup is refreshing and nutritious. Green peas are high in protein and low in calories, making them perfect for weight loss. Mint adds a fresh flavor and aids digestion. This soup is light, satisfying, and ideal for any season. It's also quick to prepare. Boil green peas with onion and garlic in vegetable stock. Blend with fresh mint, season with salt, and serve. Pumpkin and garlic soup is rich in fiber and helps control hunger. Pumpkin is low in calories but high in nutrients like vitamin A and potassium. Garlic boosts metabolism and adds a savory depth to the soup. This creamy, guilt-free soup is perfect for weight loss and keeps you full for longer. Cook pumpkin, garlic, and onion in vegetable stock. Blend until creamy, season with salt and pepper, and enjoy warm. If you make soup in bulk, you can store it easily for up to a week by freezing it properly. Pour the prepared soup into ice trays and freeze until solid. When you're ready to eat, remove the frozen soup cubes, place them in a bowl, and add hot water to reheat instantly. This method locks in freshness and flavor, ensuring your soup tastes just as good as freshly made. Always use airtight containers or freezer bags if storing larger portions to prevent freezer burn. Make sure your freezer temperature is stable for the best results. Here are the key takeaways. We have seen 11 healthy soup recipes that are perfect for weight loss, offering low-calorie, nutrient-packed options. They are rich in protein and vegetables, making them filling and great for boosting metabolism. The recipes are simple to prepare and can be made in bulk for convenience. You can freeze the soups for up to a week, making meal prep easier. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Thank you for watching. We hope these 11 healthy soup recipes inspire you to add more nutritious options to your weight loss journey. Remember, soups are a great way to stay full, energized, and on track with your goals. Don't forget to check the description and pinned comments for the detailed recipes. Stay consistent and enjoy these delicious, weight loss friendly soups.